In this lesson, we will discuss singular and non-singular, singular and non-singular matrix. These two. So a matrix is said to be a singular. This one, singular, if its determinant is equal to 0. Now, what does it mean? Suppose we have a matrix and the entries are, suppose I will write down here this. So what is the determinant of A? You have to multiply these two, 3 2 times 12, then you have to use the negative sign and multiply 6 2 times 12, so is equal to 0. If the determinant, these two lines represent the determinant and these two symbols represent the matrix. So a matrix is said to be a singular, this one, singular if its determinant equal to 0, so it means this is a singular matrix. Right here, suppose I will write down another matrix. I will write down here, suppose 3 5 6 and 2. So what is the determinant? You have to multiply these two first, 3 times 3 5 times 15, then you have to use negative sign, 6 2 times 12, so it is equal to 3. Determinant of B is equal to 3. It means it is non-singular. So easy. If the determinant of the any matrix is equal to 0, then it is called singular. If it is not 0, it is called non-singular. Right? And thanks for watching.